Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Tooltips. Let's start coding. Let me add a style for body first. Padding top 200 pixels and padding left 200 pixels. Let's create a button first. Let me add a text. Tooltips. Let me assign our tags. Type button, class btn primary. Let me get it down. And ID tooltips, data toggle tooltip, and data placement tab. And let's add a title, tooltip on button. We need to use a JavaScript for that example too. I will just test our JavaScript code. I'm using JavaScript code in our body tag as you see. Let me talk about JavaScript briefly. As you see, we create a variable, options, and we allow animation, assigning animation true, and after that we create another variable element, and we are getting tooltips ID. As you remember, we use tooltips here as the ID. We create another variable and call in our element and option variables here. If you want to learn more JavaScript, you can have a look at our JavaScript tutorial series. Let me save it and have a look at it. You see guys, when you move your mouse on the button, you see that warning message. We will use that things in our future projects. We can assign different positions. Let's have a look at positions. We just need to change that one. Let's say left. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see it at left side. And you can make it right. And save it and have a look at it. And we see at right side. And you can make it bottom too. Let's save it and have a look at it. So you can use all those different positions. It depends on your project. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.